Hello, I'm Lynette Wamboite 3817. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing my experience after watching the videos provided for trip 1. They were divided in different topics. That is 1, factory planning; 2, industrial health and safety; 3, technologies used in manufacturing systems. So the first topic, factory planning. What is factory planning? Factory planning was defined as, or is defined as, the process of deciding the best physical arrangement of all the resources that occupy space in a facility. There are different principles that are used to guide one or govern one during the process of factory planning. The first one, being the principle of space utilization. So this guides one on how to share or use or utilize the available space, either horizontally or vertically. Then 2, there is the principle of safety. This is where an employer, is governed on how and the equipments uh, of of providing safety to their employees. 3, the principle of minimum movement. This governs on how to arrange the different facilities or the equipment in the factory, in able to minimize material handling. Then others were the principle of smooth flow and the principle of flexibility, among others. Then the type of layouts. There are 4: 1, fixed; 2, combination; 3, product; and 4, process. So I'll talk in details about a few. The product layout is whereby the facilities or the equipments are arranged in according to a sequence of operations of a product. Then there's a process layout. The process layout is whereby the facilities or resources or equipments are arranged according to how they share tasks. That is, if they have similar tasks, they will fall under the same area. And then there's the combination type of layout. The combination facilitates for both the product and the process layouts. Next, still under the first topic, we had the production process. Production process is the conversion of raw materials into their finished products. There are different types of productions. 1, we have mass production; 2, we have mass customization; and 3, we have customization itself. Customization is whereby there is consideration of both the customer's needs and the production costs. The mass does not care about the needs of the customer, and it aims at producing goods in large quantities. Then 3, mass customization is whereby we have both capacitated in it. It entails production of large quantities, and it meets the customers or the buyers specific needs. The second topic, industrial health and safety. Industrial health and safety. Health is defined as the absence of diseases, whereby safety is defined as the absence of risk of injuries in an industry. There are different areas of consideration. I'll mention 2. That is the electrical and the fire safety. Fire safety. Fire safety. There are different measures you have to take in case of an outbreak of a fire. That is, you could choose to fight the fire. You could choose to fight the fire. That is, if it is minimal. 2, you could choose to raise an alarm. 3, you could choose to contact emergency services. Then the last thing you could do is evacuate the burning area. Then there is the electrical safety. There are different measures one could take. That is report faults. 2, avoid using devices that are not properly connected and tested. Only use the CO2, that is the carbon dioxide extinguishers, not any other type of extinguisher. And then, so the last topic, we had technologies used in manufacturing systems. There are different types of technologies used. One, we have numeric control. Numeric control is whereby the machine components are controlled by converting programs into output signals. Then we have the computer numerical control. This is whereby there is use of an integral computer processor to govern the machine control, and then the machine control translates the programs to output signals that control machine functions. And then we had the direct numeric control. This is whereby we have or there is use of a mainframe computer that is used to store and retrieve information that is used or is beneficial in the manufacturing process. And then we have the automated material handling. This is whereby there is no manual labor. Everything is computerized to do the different tasks involved, to do the different tasks in industries. This task could be the pulling, pushing, storing of equipments or retrieving products.